OneDrive syncing allows you to always get to your files easily. In Windows 10, select Start. Type OneDrive and select the OneDrive app. Sign in with your home, work, or school account and finish setting up. Open File Explorer to see the syncing files. If you have a Mac or an older version of Windows, download the app at onedrive.com/download. If you use more than one account, your personal files appear under OneDrive Personal. Your work or school files appear under OneDrive CompanyName. On a Mac, your files will appear under OneDrive in the Mac Finder. Now you can drag and drop your files from your computer to OneDrive. Select the OneDrive cloud icon in the Windows notification area to check status on your files. Select More, then Settings, to add an account or manage other sync settings.